Hello, everyone, and a heartfelt welcome. In today's video lecture, I will discuss the topic, Yash Pal Committee Report, 2009, and its impact on teacher education. Let us try to understand the Yash Pal Committee Report, 2009. The Yash Pal Committee, officially known as the Committee to Advise on Renovation and Rejuvenation of Higher Education in India, was formed in 2008 and submitted its report in 2009. The committee, chaired by Professor Yash Pal, a renowned scientist and educationist, aimed to provide recommendations for the overhaul and improvement of higher education in India. Here are some key highlights from the Yash Pal Committee Report of 2009. 1. Holistic Vision of Education. The committee advocated for a holistic vision of education that goes beyond mere academic learning. It emphasized the importance of nurturing creativity, critical thinking, and a sense of social responsibility among students. 2. Reform of university governance. The Yash Pal Committee proposed significant reforms in the governance structure of universities. It recommended the establishment of a National Commission for Higher Education and Research, NCHER, to replace the existing regulatory bodies. 3. Redesigning curricula. The committee called for a re-evaluation and redesign of curricula to make them more relevant to the needs of the society and the global economy. It stressed the importance of interdisciplinary studies and flexibility in course structures. 4. Promotion of research and innovation. The report underscored the need to promote a culture of research and innovation in higher education institutions. It recommended measures to enhance research infrastructure, collaboration with industries, and the development of a research-oriented mindset among students and faculty. 5. Quality enhancement in teaching. The committee highlighted the importance of improving the quality of teaching. It recommended initiatives for faculty development, including training programs and incentives for research and innovation in teaching methods. 6. Promotion of access and inclusivity. The report emphasized the need to increase access to higher education and promote inclusivity. It recommended measures to address issues of social equity, including scholarships and financial support for marginalized communities. 7. Technology integration. The Yash Pal Committee recognized the role of technology in education and recommended the integration of modern technologies to enhance the learning experience. It suggested the use of e-learning and online resources. 8. Financial reforms. The committee addressed the issue of inadequate funding for higher education. It recommended increased public investment, alternative funding mechanisms, and collaborations with the private sector to secure the financial sustainability of higher education institutions. 9. Revitalization of affiliated colleges. The report acknowledged the challenges faced by affiliated colleges and proposed measures for their revitalization. It recommended the creation of academic networks and collaborations to enhance the quality of education in affiliated institutions. 10. Enhancing student support services. The committee stressed the importance of providing comprehensive support services for students, including counseling, career guidance, and extracurricular activities. It aimed to create a conducive environment for the overall development of students. The Yash Pal Committee Report of 2009, with its comprehensive recommendations, sought to address various dimensions of higher education in India. While not all recommendations may have been implemented, the report contributed to discussions on the need for reforms and improvements in the higher education sector. Contribution to Teacher Education. Yash Pal Committee Report, 2009. 1. Formation and purpose. The Yash Pal Committee was constituted in 2008 with the objective of providing recommendations for the comprehensive renovation and rejuvenation of higher education in India. The committee was chaired by Prof. Yash Pal, an eminent scientist and educationist. 2. Holistic approach to higher education. The committee took a holistic approach, addressing various facets of higher education, including curriculum, governance, research, and infrastructure. It aimed to revitalize the higher education system to meet the challenges of the 21st century. 3. Governance reforms. One of the key areas of focus was the governance structure of higher education institutions. The committee recommended the establishment of a National Commission for Higher Education and Research, NCHER, to replace the existing regulatory bodies, aiming for a more streamlined and effective regulatory framework. 4. Curricular reforms. The committee proposed a re-evaluation of curricula to make them more relevant, flexible, and interdisciplinary. It emphasized the importance of moving away from rote learning and promoting critical thinking and creativity. 5. Quality enhancement. Enhancing the quality of teaching and research was a central theme. The committee recommended measures for faculty development, research infrastructure improvement, and the promotion of a research-oriented mindset among students. 6. Technology integration. Recognizing the role of technology in education, the committee recommended the integration of modern technologies to improve teaching and learning outcomes. This included leveraging e-learning platforms and online resources. 7. Financial reforms. Adequate funding for higher education was identified as a crucial aspect. The committee recommended increased public investment, alternative funding mechanisms, and collaborations with the private sector to ensure the financial sustainability of higher education institutions. 8. Promotion of research and innovation. The report emphasized the need to promote a culture of research and innovation within higher education institutions. It recommended measures to encourage collaborative research, industry-academia partnerships, and innovation hubs within campuses. 9. Social inclusivity and access. Addressing issues of social equity, the committee recommended measures to increase access to higher education, especially for marginalized communities. This included scholarships, financial support, and affirmative action policies. 10. Student-centric approaches. The committee stressed the importance of student-centric approaches, advocating for comprehensive student support services, including counseling, career guidance, and extracurricular activities. 11. Revitalization of affiliated colleges. Recognizing the importance of affiliated colleges, the committee proposed measures for their revitalization. This included creating academic networks and collaborations to enhance the quality of education in these institutions. The Yash Pal Committee's recommendations provided a comprehensive blueprint for the renovation and rejuvenation of higher education in India. While not specifically focused on teacher education, the committee's proposals aimed at improving the overall quality and relevance of higher education, which indirectly contributes to the preparation of teachers for the evolving educational landscape. Thank you everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.